Hi guys, I'm so pale, pero welcome back to my vlog. Ay, to Binel's vlog pala. Ako na naman po, di ba? Long time no see. Last time I think you guys saw me was when we went to Sushiyama. That's uploaded. Check it out. Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell down below because she posts every 5 months. We're on our way to pick up our friend AZ from her hotel kasi pupunta kami sa Universal. So like our friend group from Jacksonville all came down to Orlando so we can go to Universal. Today dapat on our way to CB na po no. Kaso pinili nila yung iba, parang pinili din siya. Every time nakikita nyo ako sa vlog niya, ibig sabihin nagda-drive siya. So ako yung may hawak sa camera.
Actually guys, sabi niya sa akin, mag-vlog ka, tapos bigla niya kinakaman. So ayun nga, punta kami sa Universal with Jacksonville people.
Hindi kami kompleto pero okay lang.
It's just the girls.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just the
Plus,
girls.
Kuya ni AZ.
Plus photographer.
Joke lang. Joke lang kuya.
Hi guys! Nandito na sila. Slade. Baka makapiright. Andawin na kami sa... Saan tayo? Sa
Universal.
Sa Universal.
Mga 30 minutes. Ay.
Uy, hindi. 15 na lang.
15 na lang?
15 na lang.
Ay, naka-video ba? Ay, naka-video nga. Eh, muna kayo. Eh! Guys, nasa Universal City Walk na kami. And, magpipick up kami ni Christiana ng ticket sila magpipicture dun sa Globe. Nakuha ko na guys, yung annual pass ko. Ngayon, di ko na alam kung nasan sila. Yun na nga guys, matagal namin naghintay kay Lamisi kasi naka-blackout day pala yung annual pass nila. Naming nakapila sa Hagrid's Adventure Atayon. And now it's finally time for Butterbeer, the love of my life.
Ito yung regular. Ito yung slushy. Kung gusto niya matamas yung slushy, kung uhaw lang kayo yung regular.
Pero kaya ako kay Binal guys.
Obviously.
Hi guys!
Ilayo mo naman.
Hi guys! Say hi! Hey! O, paano tayo harap sa kanila? Bet, ikaw talaga. So, ayun nga po. Ay, wala na, nahiya na.
Wala na, nahiya na.
Hi, like and subscribe! Ako na ang magiging takeover. May filter ba dito? Hindi ko alam ang sasabihin ko.
International?
Ayun nga po si Binel kanina, nahuli namin siyang umiihi doon sa may lag. Ayun. Thank you. People around the world. Humanap ka kasi sa akin. Baby. Ay, magka nga. This is my vlog. What's your name? Sir? Excuse me? What's your name?
Hey Joe.
English, a little I understand. Mahal ko kayo. What's a doorbell?
A doorbell?
A doorbell.
I don't know.
What's your name? A doorbell.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
A doorbell.
One eternity later.
First time ko po mag-vlog ngayon. At kami po ay naghihintay sa
Mga 7. Kasi mas gusto ko yung transformer. Yun yung 10 out of 10.
Tama na po natin kay Myla na 7 out of 10 po ito ride na ito. Natanungin naman natin si Aileen. Anong masasabi mo sa ride na to since nasakyan mo na?
Hindi ko pa nasakyan to.
Hindi pala. So, sorry, joke lang. Pagod na ako, kaya ibibigay. Kahilap lang.
Sinong favorite mong Spider-Man? Ay, nasan ba yung camera?
Si ano po?
Ganyan.
Si Superman.
Bakit mo kausap?
Hey guys, ang cool ko naman sa glasses na to. Like, gang down. Hi guys. Bago maibok, wala yung camera ko. Naiwan ko sa bag ni Myla. So, phone ko lang gamit ko ngayon. Paalis na kami ng Islands of Adventure. Hindi namin nasakyan yung Hulk and ito yung Hulk. Hindi namin nasakyan. Kasi medyo nahilo na kami sobra. Pero, medyo na sobra pa.
Paborito na namin yung Hagrid ride.
Sobrang sarap. Mas masarap siya sa gabi kasi like, ang tawag doon?
Mas mabilis.
Mas mabilis siya because of the friction na sinasabi nila na hindi ko maintindihan kasi babo ko.
Don't believe us. Nakita ko lang yan sa Google.
They have headlights at night. And then, it's so dark you can't see where you're going. Yeah. Pero the first ride, the first ride na sumakay kami doon sa Hagrid, I was front row. And it was so good. Kasi like, meron siya yung mabibitin na part na uurong. Yung sa mabibitin na part yung mapuputol yung railway. Para ka talaga mahulog. Nasa likod namin sila AZ, si Ate Hannah, and si Kuya Juris.
Punta kami sa hotel nila, Missy. Kakain kami ng siomai!
Siomai!
We're back in Tampa. And someone can find her glasses. Quadruple checked everything. I have my underwear, my undergarments, my socks, my shoes for work, my uniform for work, my deodorant, my brush. I have a toothbrush at her house. My camera. And she got a camera and no glasses. And I remember putting it in a Shein box, like my glasses, my prescription glasses. Anyways, we're back home in Tampa. So after we just waited for them to take pictures, and then we drove to Mrs. Hotel. And then we ate shomai and spam musubi and just chit chat for a little bit, and then dropped off AZ and her cousins, and then we went home, and now we're here. Finally showered. I felt so sticky the whole day. And then now I got on my glasses and I'm just wearing contacts, so I'm going home. I was planning on sleeping over, but I guess I have to go home.
Hey guys, it's July 27th, no, 28th. Driving to Orlando. I'm gonna go see them again. I know it's gonna be Missy, Ainik, Myla, Ate Babes, blah blah. I'm not sure if AZ and her cousins are AZ and her cousins, like I don't know the name. AZ, Ate Hannah, and Kuya Juris are gonna be there. So not sure yet, but we're gonna go to Icon Park and gonna ride the the big Ferris wheel there, and I'm probably gonna sleep over because I have work tomorrow, and I'm just gonna go leave the hotel when they leave the hotel. Hey guys! Hey! Andito na naman tayo.
Kailan kaya yung matatabo?
Nagbabay na ako kagabi eh. Sabi ko na sa vlog ko eh, ang saya eh, babay na eh. Ito, may kasunod pa pala. Paris Icon Park. Kahit sinabi ko na kanina. Ang late ko, doon ka nga. Eh, wala naman. Ito na nga guys, for today's video. Ano ba tayo? Ito. Naintindihan ako ni Kuya. Hey guys! Hello guys! Hey, 1, 2, 3, go! 5 little mountain horses! Ano daan?
na 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 na. Wala na ako bakit.
Uy, lapat na dyan ka sa baba. Uy, sheesh! Ang liit ko. Ay, oo nga pala. Okay po. Okay. Guys, ito nga pala yung ano, height difference.
Hello, nga pala yung height.
Gagi. Naka-crooks pa yan.
Ay, wait, picture ba to?
Video. Ay, gago. Sabihin mo sa vlog kung ano yan.
Ay, may papakita ka sa itlog mo.
Ha? Itlog mo. Ba't lanta siya? Ito na redyo. Ito sa lumalanda.
Wala ba kalalantag na siya?
Real na yung bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Real na for the real.
Morning. Isa pa dali. Eh muna kayo. Eh. Okay, bye-bye. Hey guys! Welcome sa vlog ko na iba-iba yung upload. So,
Welcome to my guys.
Wait lang, may papatahin.
anyways, andito tayo ngayon sa Orlando. We're waiting for Chess and her fam. They're here in Florida. Yeah! They're here in Florida and this is the first time we're seeing each other again in like 7 years. So, ang ingay guys!
Can I get a hoya?
Kanina pa kayo?
Kamusta po? Bago lang. Hi! Say hi to the vlog. Hi! Tara, sama ka.
Hi, baby.
Do you speak Tagalog? Wala. Sumama nga po, tita. What's your favorite TV show? Kuromi. Kuromi? And my melody.
I have something.
She has something for you.
What do you have?
You wanna guess?
Who's that?
My melody.
It's my melody. Yeah.
You want it?
It's like Tommy.
You want it?
You like it?
Yeah, it's really fluffy.
So, yung tatay nila, tsaka yung nanay tatay nila, kasama ko sa trabaho. Oh, okay. Tapos, yun. Tapos nagkakilala sila, ayun.
Ako, tita.
Ito pinamutanda. Ilan taon na?
21.
Look! 26. Hindi na natatyo. I'm here.
My lurking account.
Dito ayaw uminom! Chess! Ano pangalan mo? Asan na baso mo na? Anong ilang line?
Ayusin mo yan.
Susuka pero hindi susuko.
Lasing na. Lasing na. Sila umalis na.
Hindi mo na ako nung ride ko. Limutan ko tuloy yung update ko. Eto na lang sabihin natin. No? Newly bought to kanina. Ngayon, empty. Kuya Paul, ang daya mo. Isasama ko to sa vlog.
Kita ba ako maayos?
Sa kasal ng parents niya.
Ang ganda ng view. Universal Day. And I look crazy. About to go to Walmart and buy some lotion. Because, girl, I need lotion. Let's see Kuya Paul. He can't get in without a key card kasi bumaba siya dyan. I'm gonna pick up Chess and then we're going to Walmart to buy lotion and IV liquid real quick, and then we're gonna go back to the hotel, then go to Universal if they're ready. Yeah. We're at Universal now. Medyo.
I still have that video of you trying to walk in a straight line and you fell. You're like, no, I'm silver.
I'm still good.
Flashback.
Sige, mag-walk straight ka. Sige. Sige.
It's a skinwalker.
Oh, hindi! Hindi na!
Kaya!
End of flashback.
It's a Mickey Mouse Club.
Uy, wrong park!
How many weeks?
Nagtampo!
That's where you keep all the goodies. Yeah, you gotta make it. Go, make it. You gotta do it now. Go. You gotta go like that. Go. Wait, I got you. Ready, you go. Do it.
Binel. 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 Binel.
Hi. Cheer vlog.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
We're waiting for the food.
We're waiting for Aideen and Binel. Binel's food. Gusto mo ba marinig ang mga kwento?
Saan yung pinatato yung mga to?
Look, you gotta show you the matches.
Oh!
What is that? That's not. That's not.
That's crazy. Austria is a country in Europe. Oh, it's in Vienna. Vienna sausage.
I'm vlogging, guys. Joke lang. Bye-bye.
Hey guys! Ride check the mommy. Revenge of the mommy.
Hello guys, we are here now at Universal looking for mommy. I'm looking for mommy.
We're both running on 2 hours of sleep. So
I'm running on 4 in 48 hours.
technically I went to bed at 1 a.m. and woke up at 3 a.m.
We're about to ride the Hogwarts train. We left them. We left them. It's just the two of us now. It's right here. Hindi ako nakapag-video sa train because it's not allowed.
Yeah.
Pero,
I mean, may mga tao nag-video rin eh, pero yung sabi sa card, parang
bawal.
under
Survey. Baka pag drop off sa amin dito, makik-out na kami. Hi guys! We're at Hagrid right now. Yeah. So, water bike, first time! I know!
I'm gonna be on the bike.
I need her to experience the bike.
I know. And then we're thinking like if the ride like goes shorter, we'll go back and ride it again. Then she'll be in the motorbike and I'll be in the motorbike. But we've been in the line for an hour. Over an hour.
Yeah, over an hour.
Yeah. Like when from the last update from the train, we went straight to the back and then went here. Our feet are dead.
We went from 7 to 2.
I feel like we've been rambling about like stuff that like we'll have to remember about each other, but we won't remember it because we're like so tired.
I don't even remember half the things we talked about.
I wonder if they can even hear us right now.
I don't know.
So loud over there.
If not, I'll put subtitles. We'll update you on how she feels after the ride.
Yeah, because I don't know anything about it yet.
And I'm not telling her, I'm not spoiling her anything about it.
Okay, see ya. That was so fun. That was really worth the wait. Like I don't even care.
How did you feel when you saw the broken track?
Oh my god, I don't even think I got to see the broken track because all I heard was just like the
the Loomis thingy with like the devil's snare.
Yeah.
And then my stomach just dropped. And then we went backwards. Oh wait, let's look at the photo. Can we look at the photo?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I feel like a brand new person. Anyway, I recommend that ride. Okay, first of all,
Tell them how you got first row.
yeah, okay, so here's the thing. She's like when she went on it for the first time, she got first row, and then we were stopped, and I thought that we would be at the last row, but then it like was right on time with the last guy, and then they were like, oh, you're like in the first area. I didn't know that we would go backwards, because oh sorry, because when we dropped down, I was like, why are we going back?
She looked at me like, what the fuck was that?
and then there was a part where like what was it with the devil's snare when it just dropped too? I was like, bro, what is going on? I recommend this ride. Like, don't tell anyone what's happening.
You just told them everything.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, my bad. I mean, if you've been on the ride, you know. Fair warning, add a warning.
We just finished the Harry Potter rides.
It's really fun. It was the Quidditch one. The Dementors are really fucking scary, so just keep that in mind because what? It was like right up at your face. Like that was scary. The spiders weren't that bad, but also I hated the part with the dragons where they blew the fog right in your face. I didn't like that.
That was too close for the fog.
Is that where we're going?
That's Velocicoaster. The 1 hour.
But that's literally the one we rode on the first. Was it the first one? No. Was that the one?
Yeah, that's the Velocicoaster. The 70 miles per hour.
That was fun.
We were gonna ride it, but it was 60 minutes and they closed at 8, so.
Yeah, so it's either ride 2 more rides or just ride that one ride and wait for an hour. Or maybe even more.
Yeah.
Because we waited an hour and like 40 minutes for Hagrid.
And it said an hour only.
Yeah. So
They're not fully accurate.
Nope. But maybe we can like book it. Never mind.
Never mind. We like talk in the waiting line and then we just like go completely quiet and we talk again.
It's like that comfortable silence at least though. It's not like the awkward silence.
Not the first time. Not the first time silence.
That looks so fun. Is that the one we're going with? No?
No, that's the Velocicoaster.
I keep forgetting.
I look crazy.
I feel like with each clip, my hair just looks more wet and more wet from the sweat. Like, guys, I swear I showered this morning. It's so hot in Florida. I'm not used to this with the humid heat too. But I'm sad because like there's still so many roller coasters I want to go on, but the time is just not letting us have enough.
But it's just another excuse for us to come back here together.
2026.
2026.
Honestly, yeah, 2026 works.
We gotta go back with the people we left and with your parents.
Yeah.
And also, we have to ride Velocicoaster.
Everything I know.
Hey guys. A week after Universal, andito ulit kami sa hotel. Everything I do.
Everything I do.
Time check. Ano na oras?
I don't know.
2:36 AM. Tulog na sila lahat. Kami gising pa.
Tignan mo yung ano ba this?
Ay, mali.
May tricycle pa. May tricycle. Tricycle. No. Guys, manual camera kasi. Ay, manual camera yung...
Ba't ako'y may dalang kumot? Ako'y walang kumot, JP.
Ako.
Uy! Yung kumot ko. Grabe yung kumot ko, guys.
Lasing na.
Lasing na yung kumot ko, in fairness. Guys!
Ayusin lang higa. Ayusin lang higa. Para isahin na lang.
Yung isa.
Taas kami kung sino magsashot.
Oo. Doon daw.
Sa camera. Ba't may matigas? Yung matigas. Yung alcohol ko. Guys, asan yung pizza ko?
Hindi ko alam.
Naubos ko ba yung pizza ko? Category.
Wala na si Cheska.
Ay, mag-toothbrush tayong lahat. Pag-gising natin, sasabihin ng bago. Mag-teleport na lang ako ah. Di na ako lasing.
Ako din. Talaga.
Hindi ako lasing. Uy. Sobrang na. Hindi ako lasing.
Kaya lang sa top. Bubunod mo siya.
Hey guys, we're at Walaan nyo. Sa ano siguro? Mamili kayo. Clue Disney. So ito lang yung ride.
Haba pa ng line.
$30 pa yung parking. Anyways, mamaya na. Tinatamad ako mag-vlog. Guys, ba't may sugar mommy dito? Hey! Okay guys, welcome to Titanic. Huh? Guys, ayoko na. Pa kami nakaka-ride, tapos ganito na yung itsura ko. Ayoko na. Big Thunder Mountain. Super haggard na. Nasira na yung hair tie ko, so hindi ko na siya ma-fix. Ano sinabi niyo? Nagbablog ako. Hindi ko alam kung glass skin or glass. Guys, kanina may maasim sa Seven Dwarfs. Grabe, mas maasim pa sa crumbling. Yung isa. Spider.
Ha?
Ay, B. Spider. B.
Spider? Ano yung spider? Oh, yan laki. Paano?
Wala na ako hair. Nasira na siya. Wala na rin ako lipstick.
Howdy, boys. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands.
Guys, nag-ride kami dito. Hi guys, nag-picture na kami sa castle. Reunited na kami. Tapos may fun na rin.
Kinuha namin sa mga kapatid ko.
Inagawan ng fun yung mga bata. Ayan, tignan mo yung dalawa.
Hand in hand. Bakit parang nagsastruggle?
Kay Sammy, excited kanina si Cassie kasama niya. Isa pa.
Baka madapa kayong dalawa.
Sabay kayo dyan, bahala kayo.
Si Cassie yung magbe-break ng phone.
Grabe.
Init eh.
Sobrang init. Ang sarap niyan. Oh my gosh.
Parang may
Gusto ko yun.
assistant eh, oh.
So guys, this is what happened. May assistant.
Ma, mag-hi ka sa vlog.
Wala pa kayo sa
channel.
Parang tatay. Aga mo nag-anak, Jay.
Smile. Sammy, smile.
Nahilad ako ito.
Sammy, are you okay? Are you okay? Okay, okay siya.
Are you okay? Okay. Uy!
Sorry.
Please watch your step. Okay.
Mami, takot na takot si Nenel dito.
Daming gulay dito.
Parang galit na galit sa akin si Tito.
Bakit?
Takot na takot dito. Oh, puro vegetables.
Bibigyan ng broccoli. Ganyan ako. Ah! Wow!
Mas mainit po.
Wow!
Hindi, mas mainit.
Ang nice! Ma, wala na rice dito.
Ubus na.
Naiyak ka pa ito din, no?
Ang galing i-filter, no?
Oh, tinatanggal pa malit na carrot lang eh. Uy, at least ito kinakain ko.
Ano ba yan?
Nakakain na akong carrots minsan.
Ibang character development naman.
Tapos strawberry, once every 2 years.
Hair check, bye.
Let's check.
Kita ba?
Yeah.
Huli sa camera. Huli yun. Huli.
High tops, pants, and shirt.
Yeah.
Siya yung nagyaya dito, siya yung walang binili.
Hi guys, so di kami kita ba?
Ako ba first?
We're gonna play mini golf in this black light golfing. So let's go. Hello.
Nasa K1. Ito, cool guy. Ayaw suot yung sa kanya. Tingnan mo ako itlog.
Hindi niyo pa ayaw niyo talaga ang baho kasi.
Ako lang nakalagay ng girl ko. Nakakasiya ako. Parang excited.
Masyado ka excited.
Halata.
Hi guys, after K1. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Ang sakit sa kamay, nanginginig yung kamay niya kanina. Hanggang ngayon ba? Hanggang ngayon. Grabe, nagbanggaan na lang. Nag-give up na ako nung nakita ko nakadalawang flag na ako. Sabi ko, okay, iyak ka na. Slow down na ako.
Make sure pa na nagsasabi.
Oo, yung last lap na yun na yung...
Na-vlog ako. Na-vlog ako.
Dalawa sa'yo.
Tapos maabutan ko na sana to, tapos biglang nag-slow down.
Ito naabutan ka. Tapos biglang...
Hi guys. Welcome back to this place. Third time. Ba't nga pagod na pagod ka?
8 hours of sleep pa to. Ay, sorry. 1 hour.
Eh, may people today.
Tayo ng
Oo.
Totoo?
Me.
Bakit tulala lang? Tawa ka ng tawa kanina. Kasi yung isang chick... Uy! Isang chick ko kasi puno ng... Nakaganon ako.
Naubos namin to, pati yung tiyan namin ang sakit dahil sa food tsaka sa tawa.
Tawa nino.
Kayong dalawa.
Pag tumatahimik kasi biglang titingin siya sa akin ako. Ano?
I'm gonna be... Guys, ipaprank namin sila tita. Magpapatato kami.
Itong Snoopy.
Matching tattoos ko. Guys, naglagay na kami ng tattoo.
Lahat sa wrist.
So, unahin
May
namin.
kamay ko.
Unahin namin si tito. Kasi sakitan namin. Habang naglalagay kami ng tattoo, biglang dumaan sila tita kasama si tita kasama sila kasi buta hindi kami napansin sa car. Naglalagay kami tattoo, bigla ko narinig si Cassie, Mom!
May nagko-complain.
Yeah, ayun. Oh, and they have matching bracelets, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi kita yun!
Sobrang puti kasi.
Nasaan yung sa'yo? Ito yung kanya.
Ayun.
Slay. Sorry. Nagkain dito.
Spend for leisure, and then they are the ones in call centers or BPO industries. We are very, very
Souvenirs sa, nag-ano kami, Speedway sa NASCAR.
Saan kayo nagpunta sa ano?
Daytona Beach Pier, tsaka NASCAR.
Tsaka
Tapos, ano yung isa?
Para doon.
Para doon sa bata.
Gano'n ba tagal yung biyahe doon?
Marap. Ay, may ring papak sa paa.
Ha?
Mga 40 minutes lang.
40 minutes pag si Pinal nag-drive. Saan na ngayon nag-stay most of the time?
Nag-walk lang kami.
Nag-walk lang.
Nag-swimming sila.
Mga tita.
Ginawa rin kami.
Ano yun?
Dumaan sa tattoo corner.
Nagpalaro ka? Saan? Saan kang tattoo parlor na parang?
Yun sa dito. 100. Sila rin. Nagpatattoo na rin. Matching tattoos kami tatlo. Hindi namin lang ko pa na-explain sa mami niya.
Explain mo rin sa mami niya.
Teka lang, tita.
Nagalit si mami.
Marami kang i-explain kay mami. Okay?
Joke lang.
Yung joke lang.
May tattoo nga.
Temporary.
Kasi kung magpapatato ka ng ganyang kaliit, hindi kay Tito Rudy na lang.
Oh, may approval na ba na? Pinifilm namin, may approval na ba? Pwede na. Papatanungan na lang.
No, kay mami muna.
Kay mami muna.
Pag daw muna kay mami mo.
Yeah.
Si tita yung approval na i-wait mo. Kaplay na yan.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye na.
Okay, bye. Next, we're gonna reunite when? 9 years from now in Greece.
Hindi ba next year?
Ay, oo nga. Sorry, Uy, nagre-remind din. Babay ka na sa vlog.
Oh, bye! See you next year!
Yeah!
Oh, wow!
Hindi na pa.
Bye!
Cassie!
Washington!
Say bye to the vlog!
Say bye!
Bye vlog!
Welcome to camera.
Bye vlog!
Bye, Kuya Vlog.
Huh?
Kuya Vlog. Bye na.
Bye!
Bye-bye.